Britain's silent comeback, signs of resilience before a tough budget. For months, headlines painted a bleak picture of Britain's economy. Weak growth, hesitant consumers and businesses under strain. Yet just when confidence seemed to fade, new data has sparked an unexpected turn. The UK economy is quietly showing signs of life ahead of an upcoming tax hike budget. A recent PMI, Purchasing Managers Index, survey revealed that both the manufacturing and services sectors are beginning to stabilize. The reading indicated modest but meaningful progress, suggesting that business activity is no longer shrinking as fast as it was just a few months ago. Even more surprising, consumer spending rose by 0.5% in September, defying forecasts that expected a drop. This uptick, though small, signals that households are regaining a measure of confidence. Despite the rising cost of living and the looming specter of higher taxes, government borrowing has also come in lower than expected, easing some of the pressure on the Treasury ahead of Chancellor Rachel Reeves's much-anticipated budget announcement. Analysts suggest that this combination of steadier growth and reduced borrowing could give the government a little more room to maneuver, even as it prepares to raise taxes to cover public spending commitments. Inflation, another persistent headache for policymakers, appears to be leveling off. With price growth stabilizing, the Bank of England may be able to hold off on further rate hikes, offering a breath of relief to both businesses and homeowners. Still, economists warn that this resilience remains fragile. Growth is sluggish, wages are under pressure, and global uncertainty, from energy markets to geopolitics, continues to cast a long shadow. Yet for a nation that's been bracing for economic stagnation, even modest progress is a welcome shift. In short, Britain isn't booming, but it's bouncing back, quietly and cautiously. The weeks ahead, especially with a tax-tightening budget on the horizon, will determine whether this recovery gains real strength or fades under fiscal pressure.